Welcome to Dynamic Circuit. We are going to test ABB Softstarter controller. It's originally unable to power on and blinked. After we repair, you can see here the menu is cleared, the power on, there is no fault, LEDs is on. We can hear up down using these arrows, and the selection of the key is here. Here is the back menu here, back. Successfully we are repaired Softstarter controller using in industries. Please visit for your industrial repair solutions. Dynamic Circuit. Thank you very much for watching these videos.